Find the diameter and the area of the circle. Locate the center. Join line OD, line OC, line OB, line OA, line AC, line AB and line CD. Each equals r, the radius of the circle. Also, label point E and G. Angle DEG equals to 90 degrees. The reason is that line BC and line AD intersect at 90 degrees. Let labeled angle COD equals 2 times theta, and labeled angle AOC equals 2 times beta. But labeled angle ABC equals beta, which equals to labeled angle ABC. It is because the angle at center is twice that at the circumference of the circle. It implies that angle ECG equals 90 degrees minus beta minus in bracket 90 degrees minus theta, which equals theta minus beta. Since BOC is an isosceles triangle, angle BCD equals angle CBO, which equals to theta minus beta. This implies that angle BOC equals 180 degrees minus in bracket 2 times theta minus 2 times beta. Hence, angle AOB equals angle BOC minus angle AOC, which equals 180 degrees minus 2 times theta. From triangle COD, length of an arc CD equals the product of 2 times theta and 2 times pi times r, all divided by 360 degrees, which equals to 6. We call it equation 1. From triangle AOB, length of an arc AB equals the product of 180 degrees minus 2 times theta and 2 times pi times r, all divided by 360 degrees, which equals to 4. We call it equation 2. Divide equation 1 by equation 2. We have that the product of 2 times theta divided by 360 degrees and 180 degrees minus theta divided by 360 degrees equals 6 divided by 4, which equals to half of 3. Simplify to have the equation shown on the screen. Then, cross-multiply. 2 times the product of 2 and theta equals 3 times 180 degrees minus theta. Open brackets. Four times theta equals 540 degrees minus 6 times theta. Combine like terms. We have that the sum of 4 times theta and 6 times theta equals 540 degrees. This implies that 10 times theta equals 540 degrees. Divide the equation by 10. Theta equals 540 degrees divided by 10, which equals 54 degrees. Substitute into equation 1. Two times the product of 54 degrees and 2 times pi times r, divided by 360 degrees equals 6. Simplify and we have that 3 times the product of pi and r divided by 5 equals 6. Solve for r. We obtained that r equals 10 divided by pi in centimeters. After simplification of substituted value, it follows that 2 times r equals the diameter of the circle, which equals to 20 divided by pi in centimeters, as shown on the screen. Solution to question I. The area of the circle equals the product of pi and r, which equals to 100 divided by pi in square centimeters. After simplification of substituted value, or 31.83 square centimeters to 2 decimal places.